Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever ran into the problem of buying a GoPro 3D printed mount and you get about 2 jumps in, next thing you know the thing's just laying apart there on the ground? So we got some metal. Let's make our own GoPro mount. See how strong we can get this. Get right to it. So I'm gonna have mine for the very bottom. Just kind of cut a little angle, and I'm going to make sure there's room, because what we're going to do is we're going to drill for a zip tie to hold this on. It's going to be super easy. I'm going to get a drill out 4 holes for each side. Be careful, this stuff can... We've ran into our first problem. We have a slight bend. All we have to do is add another plate to this and then give her a couple tack welds. We'll be good to go. As you can see right there, there is a bend. And for the time being, I don't have the luxury of a vise. So I will be using my concrete floor, trying to straighten this bad boy out. And honestly, it'd be super cool to have an anvil, but it's not like we need one. Just gonna make sure it doesn't get in the way of the zip to our mark. Well, we straight ripped the zip ties off. So we swapped out the little zip tie for the big. As you can see, she held up nicely.